Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? Today, we're delving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 26, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 18, 2023, our system has ranked Google as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now let's dive into Google's stock performance during this period. During this time, Google has surpassed our expectations with a remarkable gain of 12.1% since we first recommended buying it 27 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.45% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Considering the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong short-term upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rising. If there is any pullback, there is support at the previous trend's peak of $153.15, which could present a second opportunity for growth. Based on fan theory, the next potential resistance level is at $164.68, which may not be easily surpassed. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 13.85% change in the next 3 months, offering a return between 4.84% and 13.38%. The 12-month trend suggests a significant 47.51% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 30.15% to 50.02%. This implies a price range of $200.15 to $230.71 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google reveals that the stock price has increased by 0.0976% on Friday. The Google stock price experienced a gain of 0.0976% during the last trading day, which was Friday, January 26, 2024. It rose from $153.64 to $153.79. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $152.80 and a high of $154.11, representing a 0.86% variation. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 7.04% and has shown an upward trend in 7 out of the last 10 days. The trading volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 19 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $2.99 billion. It's worth considering that a decrease in volume accompanied by higher prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $154.76, while the lowest was $88.86. Currently, the price is 0.63% or 97 cents below the 52-week high. In addition, it is 93.91% or $2,373.20 below the all-time high on June 11, 2021, when the price reached $2,526.99. Today, I want to talk about the latest analyst ratings for Google stock, GOOG. On Thursday, January 25, 2024, Wedbush gave Google a sell grade but with an upgrade action. Moving back to October 25, 2023, Needham gave Google a buy grade but with a hold action. Going further back to July 26, 2023, Susquehanna gave Google a positive grade but with a hold action. On the same day, July 26, 2023, KeyBank gave Google an overweight grade but with a hold action. Lastly, on May 24, 2023, JMP Securities gave Google a market outperform grade but with a hold action. Analysts have unanimously rated Google stock as a strong buy. They have given a strong buy rating for the P/E ratio and price to book. The stock also receives a strong buy rating for return on investment, according to analysts. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Google's stock. The Google stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there will be some support from the lines at $149.59 and $141.32. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Monday, December 4, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 17.73%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, it is worth noting that the volume fell during the last trading day despite the gain in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal 37 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 49 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 28 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 215 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Google. When it comes to the downside, there are a couple of support levels to consider. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $138.45 and $133.84. It's important to note that when a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $138.45 is broken, the next support will be at $133.84 and $133.64. Moving on to the risk factor, Google has average movements during the day in good trading volume. This puts the risk at a medium level. In the last day, the stock moved $1.31 between its high and low, which accounts for 0.86% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.43%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Google, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google has a relatively normal P/E ratio, which is often observed in companies with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now, let's take a closer look at the potential day trading levels for Google. When it comes to upward movement, there aren't any significant barriers due to accumulated volume. This means that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward momentum. If you decide to enter a position, keep a close eye on the volume as it can help you determine the right time to exit. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $138.45. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point for traders, with the potential for a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 17, 2024, Pichai Sundar sold 3,488 shares of Class C capital stock. On January 17, 2024, Pichai Sundar sold 15,323 shares of Class C capital stock. On January 17, 2024, Pichai Sundar sold 3,689 shares of Class C capital stock. On March 14, 2023, Hennessy John L. bought 3,580 shares of Class C capital stock. On March 14, 2023, Hennessy John L. bought 3,580 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is -27.880, indicating a negative trend. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 431,100 shares and sold 767,455 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $149.67, which represents a decrease of 2.68%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily movements, which indicates a moderate level of risk. The RSI 14, which measures the stock's relative strength, is currently at 91, indicating a higher level of risk. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 36 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? While Google holds several positive signals, we don't consider it to be a strong buy candidate. At the current level, it would be better to hold or accumulate in this position and wait for further development. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, January 29th, we anticipate that Google will open down by $0.223 and start trading at $153.57. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. To make informed investment decisions, it's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be solely relied upon for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Comment below and share your opinions with us. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.